I am Hazel Kolokoto, your tax education ambassador. I'm here to tell you about the different business types that we have within our SMME segment in SARS. We have a sole proprietor, we have a partnership, we have a public or a private company, we have a closed corporation, and lastly we have a cooperative. Let's start by discussing what a sole trader is. With a sole trader, there is no need for yourself to go and register with the CIPC, which is Companies and Intellectual Property Commission. It is a one-man show. There is no need for registration. The second type of business that we are going to discuss, it is a partnership. A partnership is the same concept as a sole trader. The difference is that there is two or more people coming together to start a company. People come with different skills, different resources, with the aim of starting a company. And with a partnership, again, there is no need to go to CIPC to do the formal registration of the company. When it comes to tax, each partner will be taxed individually depending on their individual tax rates. Another type of a business within our SMME segment is a private company and a closed corporation. These business types requires you to be registered with CIPC first. During the CIPC registration process, you will automatically be registered with SARS and be issued with a corporate income tax number. After registration, you will be required to file your income tax return annually, 12 months after your year end. Commonly, small businesses year end is February. The CIT form to be used when filing the tax return is called ITR 14. Please note that CIPC no longer registered closed corporation. A small business can only register as a private company. The last type of a business that we are going to discuss is a cooperative. A cooperative needs to be registered with CIPC. A cooperative is registered for different purposes. It is basically a group of people coming together for different purposes, which could be economic goals, agricultural projects, or it can be for a stockpile purposes. The tax that is going to be determined for a cooperative is according to the company's income tax rates. The incentives that we have available for you as our valued SMME are turnover tax, which is the TOT, small business corporation, SBC, employment tax incentive, which is the ETI. Let's start discussing the turnover tax. Turnover tax is aimed at simplifying the administrative burden of the SMME by making it easier for you to comply with SARS. The turnover of the SMME must be 1 million rand or less, and the SMME will be taxed according to the turnover tax rates. With the small business corporation now, there is no need to register to be taxed according to the small business corporation. The company simply needs to indicate on the ITR 14, which is the tax return that is submitted by all companies, to indicate that the SMME qualifies to be taxed according to the small business corporation rates. The turnover of the SMME must be 20 million rand or less. The last incentive that we have available, it is the employment tax incentive, ETI. ETI is aimed at reducing the company's pay as you earn on a monthly basis, simply because the company has hired the youth, which are between the age of 19 and 29 years old.